This is my Black Ops sniper rifle by Ignite and called Bear River. And it's a Spring 177 and single shot. And what I'm doing is I'm finding the trajectory using Crosman Premier Hollowpoints. And this one shoots really good with Gommel red fires. Not too good with Crosman Premier Hollowpoints, but I'm sighting in all my rifles with Crosman Premier Hollowpoints this week. And I'm going to see what the trajectory is with these. And I want to see what, how they shoot at 10, 15, 20, and 25 yard distances. Okay, this one, the right there is where I was shooting at. So it's pretty much right on zero right there. This one shot a little bit to the right, and I was shooting right here on this line. And it looks like we got two down here and one up here, so the zero's right on target. So 10 and 15 yards are right on zero. Okay, let's see where this one went. This is 20 yards. Okay, so I was shooting right here where the numbers are at and straight down. So right here would be where the zero was. So this one has two shots here and one up here. So right in here is where the zero line is. So this shot an inch high at 25 yards. So the trajectory is still going up. Okay. On this one, I was shooting directly across from the center of this right here, okay, and right down the middle. So there's one shot up here and two shots here and here. Okay, so right here is where the zero is. Here's the zero right here. Okay, so we got this one is 3 inches high at 25 yards. So the trajectory is at 10 and 15 yards right on zero, 21 inch high, 25 yards, 3 inches high. So this rifle's got some power, and it's pretty accurate. And so at least I know what the trajectory is now. My guess is this is going to be the same at about 40 to 45 yards as it is at 15. I'll have to do that another time. Set up longer distance targets.